got. Come on. Good. Good job. Sorry. Okay. Give it to me. Oh, I remember. Do do do. Do do do. I don't wish on shooting stars anymore. They can't help me find what I'm searching for. It's now up to me to be what I was meant to be. I don't see them the same way I did before. I don't wait for dragonflies at my door. They just come to me and I just ignore them. Only when I'm reading, cleaning or daydreaming, ascending to remind me to explore. I know you love to fly right by me, descending, then you disappear in the sky. You used to have me through, but now I decided to stop wishing anymore.